I like reading books. My favorite hobby is painting. I enjoy playing basketball. I love playing video games. I am interested in learning languages. I enjoy cooking new recipes. I like to watch movies. I love listening to music. I enjoy hiking in the mountains. I like traveling to new places. My hobby is photography. I enjoy swimming in the pool. I like to play the guitar. I love to draw cartoons. I enjoy watching sports. I like to go shopping. My favorite activity is gardening. I love playing chess. I enjoy writing stories. I like to go cycling. I enjoy visiting museums. I love doing puzzles. I like to watch TV shows. I enjoy playing board games. I am interested in history. I love learning about science. I enjoy watching the sunset. I like practicing yoga. I enjoy playing soccer with friends. My favorite hobby is knitting. I love doing DIY projects. I like playing badminton. I enjoy collecting stamps. I am interested in photography. I love going to the beach. I like to play the piano. I enjoy reading comic books. I like to go to concerts. My favorite pastime is fishing. I love cooking with my family. I enjoy making crafts. I like playing with my pet. I enjoy learning about technology. I love watching cartoons. I like going on picnics. I enjoy dancing to music. I like watching YouTube videos. I love spending time with my friends. I enjoy solving math problems. My hobby is learning how to cook new dishes.